New India Assurance Company Limited recruitment for administrative officers. There are 300 vacancies for administrative officers. This is under journalist, scale 1 cadre. The vacancies for different categories are this way: the unreserved 121 vacancies, for OBC 81, for EWS category 30 vacancies, for ST category 22 vacancies, for SC category 46 vacancies, and for PWD, this is the classification of the vacancies for PWD category. Put together 300 total vacancies for officers, that is administrative officers. And the online application will begin from September 1st and till 21st of September, and the online phase 1 examination is in October. This is tentative, so that is prelims examination will be held in the month of October, and phase 2 examination, both objective and descriptive, that is essay writing, will be held in the month of November. So this is regarding the important dates, online registration. Now we'll look forward into the criteria and the age criteria. For the minimum age criteria is 21 years and maximum age is 30 years as of 1/4/2021, and there is some relaxation for different categories. For SC/ST categories 5 years relaxation, for OBC 3 years, and for PWD 10 years, and ex-serviceman 5 years relaxation is available. And the pay scale, the basic pay scale is around 32,795, which ranges from 32,795 to 62,315, around 60,000 per month in metropolitan cities after you get selected. So this is the pay scale, and the eligibility criteria is any graduate can apply or any postgraduate with 60% marks in degree or for general category, and 55% marks for SC/ST category. So for ex-servicemen, only those candidates shall be treated as ex-servicemen who fulfill the revised definition laid down by the Government of India, and that is the criteria for ex-servicemen. And the prelims examination, the structure of prelims examination will be 60 minutes, 100 questions will be, and for English 30 marks, and the time duration is 20 minutes, and for reasoning section 35 questions and 35 marks, the time duration is 20 minutes, and for quantitative aptitude 35 questions, 35 marks, and the time duration is 20 minutes. So this is the sectional time duration, and the questions for reasoning and quantitative ability will be bilingual, that is both English and Hindi. And phase 2 examination will be of objective 200 marks and also descriptive of 30 marks. So both objective and descriptive test will be online. You need to type the descriptive answer on the computer screen after you complete this section, that is objective section. So the objective section will be for 2.5 hours. So the section reasoning 50 questions, 50 marks, and the time duration is 40 minutes, and for English 50 questions, 50 marks, and the time duration is 40 minutes, and general awareness 50 questions and 50 marks, and the time duration is 30 minutes, and for quantitative aptitude 50 questions, 50 marks, the time duration is 40 minutes, total 200 questions, 2.5 hours. So, and there will be a descriptive test that is for 30 minutes duration with 30 marks, and that will be letter writing 10 marks and essay writing 20 marks. You will type in the specified box provided at the time of examination. So this is regarding the examination criteria. There will be prelims, and if you qualify prelims there will be mains examination. And the interview criteria is the weightage for the online examination of interview will be 75:25, and the final selection will be based on the mains and interview criteria. And the link for this application form and also notification is given in the description. You can just view in the description link. If you have any doubts, please do contact and comment. Thank you. Have a great day.